Are you a newly licensed real estate agent and ready to dive into the world of listings? Well, if you're asking yourself how to get that very first listing, well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to be sharing 8 creative ways to secure your first listing. Tips that aren't often talked about, but are proven to work. So stick around until the end because one of these strategies could be your game changer to land that very first client. Welcome to my channel. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. And if you're passionate about growing your real estate business with smart, modern strategies, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so that you never miss our latest tips and tricks. As a new real estate agent, it's crucial to start strategizing for your first listing, even before you're fully licensed. Planning ahead will set you up for a faster start. And you may hear that new agents should focus really on buyers, but that's really not the only way. Listings are leverage as they provide you the chance to put your sign up and market the property, giving you exposure to buyers and more sellers. My first listings came from creative outreach, and today I'm going to share those methods with you to help you kickstart your journey as a listing agent. First, consider hosting an open house for another agent. Many agents are open to other realtors running their open houses, especially on listings where they want extra coverage. Hosting an open house lets you connect directly with neighbors who stop by, often out of curiosity about the local market. But take this chance to build rapport. Engage with these visitors by discussing the neighborhood's appeal and casually offering a free home evaluation. You'd actually be surprised by how many of those just looky-loo neighbors turn into listing leads when they see your expertise and your local knowledge. However, the kicker is you need to know the market. So take some time to learn the stats and be able to talk intelligently about their neighborhood and the market in general. Another powerful tactic is to market listings from your brokerage. Many brokerages allow agents to promote each other's listings with permission, and it's often welcomed since it really boosts visibility. And when you promote listings in an area that you want to work in, you start building familiarity. Prospective sellers in that neighborhood will start associating you with the local market, and this perception builds credibility, positioning you as a knowledgeable resource, even if the listing isn't yours. Just remember to seek permission first, as this maintains professionalism and respects the brokerage's protocols. So running a seller-focused ad on Facebook can also quickly generate leads. With just a small daily budget, you can promote a seller's guide targeting homeowners interested in maximizing their home's value. Many brokerages provide pre-made guides, making it super simple to convert them into a PDF that you can share. And through targeted Facebook ads, this guide positions you as a reliable source for listing advice. Not only does this approach increase your visibility, but it also starts bringing in seller leads, a key step toward your first listing. For professional engagement, posting consistently on LinkedIn can be very effective. And LinkedIn is packed with professionals and often more mature audiences, including homeowners likely interested in selling. Regularly share market updates, tips for sellers, or even neighborhood insights. Posting consistently about the real estate market will help you get noticed, and your LinkedIn connections may begin to see you as the go-to expert for real estate. So this professional approach can lead to direct messages from those interested in listing their homes with someone who knows the market very well. Leveraging a just sold listing in your area can also yield fantastic results. And this is how I actually secured my first few listings. Simply reach out to neighbors of a recently sold property and let them know about the sale. Explain how it might affect their own property value and offer a no obligation evaluation. This approach is non-intrusive and it provides real value. People often become curious when they see homes in their area selling quickly and for a good price. Instead of door knocking, you can also call homeowners in the neighborhood for a similar effect. Now, networking at real estate events, particularly those attended by investors, is a gold mine for new agents. Many attendees at these events are investors, not licensed agents, and they often need realtors to help them buy and sell properties. By building connections with local investors, you can create steady, repeat business as they flip properties. And not only do you help them buy, but you can also list those properties after they're remodeled, giving you both a buyer and a seller connection in one transaction. Building trust with investors can generate continuous business, giving you a solid foundation for your first year. Now, partnering with a busy agent for a co-listing can also be a very creative and strategic entry point. High volume agents occasionally have listings that they may not want to handle due to either location or price. So reach out to these agents and offer to co-list, managing all the work, including open houses, marketing, and paperwork. And this partnership is mutually beneficial. You gain listing experience and exposure while the other agent gets support. Co-listing is a win-win that could fast track your path to independent listings. Now finally, reach out to your own network of friends and family. It might sound very basic, but it's really often the most overlooked step. People who know and trust you are more likely to support you and your new career. When you make the announcement, share why you chose real estate. Explain what it means to you and why you're dedicated to helping others buy or sell homes. Authenticity resonates, and when your network understands your passion and purpose, they're more likely to refer you or even become clients themselves. And there you have it. These are 8 strategies that can help you land your very first listing and kick off your real estate career with some momentum. And if you have any questions on how to get started in real estate, drop a comment below. I'll make sure I get those answered. Thanks so much for tuning in, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think that it might benefit. And if you'd like to know more about how to get your first listings as a new real estate agent, make sure to subscribe below so that you don't miss out on any future videos, and follow us on all of our socials. And if you really liked this video, then please hit that like button. You can also click on the boxes on your screen to see our other videos too. Post any comments or questions below and we'll get to those. I'm Kelly Domaille at Domaille Real Estate, and we love what we do and we want you to love what you do too. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.